Welcome to Mr. Gill's Academy of Math. Today we will learn how to multiply integers. So I divided all integers product into three rules. First thing, what is a product? Product means multiplication. If you get confused, what is product? Means multiplication. What is sum? Add. What is difference? Subtraction. So we'll see how we multiply integers today. So I divided into three rules. Very first rule is if both integers are positive. I'm talking about only two integers because if you know the two integers, you can apply on more integers later on. So first rule is both integers are positive. We first thing, what should we do? First, see what is the sign between two integers. Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. So here, because we are doing multiplication of two integers, so it's a multiplication. So first thing we should do is multiply the integers and then think about the sign. Always whenever there are two integers, whether it's addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, first do whatever the sign in between two integers. What is the operation between two integers? So always do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division first, then think about the sign. So let's see if two integers are positive and you are multiplying it. So what we should do, first we multiply the two integers and then the sign is positive. It's very simple. For example, if I do positive 3 times positive 6. So what should we do first? Multiply integers. So 3 times 6 is 18 and sign is positive. For example, positive 5 times positive 7. So multiplication. So what do we do first? Multiply. 5 times 7 is 35. Both integers are positive. Product is also positive. For example, if you write 8 times 6. This time I'm not putting any sign with the integers. So it's understood if there is no sign with the integers, it means they are positive. This means this is positive 8, this is positive 6. So positive, positive, the sign is positive. But what's first thing is you have to multiply. 8 times 6 is 48. And both are positive, product is also positive. This is the first rule. Now see the second rule. In second rule, if both are negative, both integers are negative, first thing we multiply. See the sign between them. And then we multiply first and then the sign is also positive. For example, if I say negative 5 times negative 4. So what we should do first? Multiply. Multiply integers first. 5 times 4 is 20. And if both integers are negative, sign is also positive. Negative 7 times negative 8. So first multiply 56. Both are negative, sign is positive. So it's very simple. First two rules are if both integers are positive or both are negative, sign will be positive. Very easy. Let's see the third rule. Third rule is if there are two integers with different sign. One is positive, one is negative. So what we do first, multiply integer and sign will be negative. For example, first integer is positive, second is negative. Multiply and sign is negative. Or could be first negative and second positive, same thing. Multiply, sign is negative. For example, if I do negative 6 times positive 7. First thing we multiply. 6 times 7 is 42. And we are using two different signs. Right? There's two different signs. Sign is negative. If I do positive 8 times negative 5. First we multiply 40. one positive, one negative. When we multiply, the product is negative. So these are the rules of how to do multiplication. Let's do some question. I suggest you to pause the video for 3-4 minutes and then check answer with me. Positive, this is negative, right? First thing is we multiply. 9 times 8 is 72. The two different signs, positive, negative. So sign will be negative. Negative 6 times negative 12. 6 times 12 is 72. And negative times negative will be positive. When both signs are same, we put positive sign. Positive 7 times positive 9. Both are positive, positive. First thing is multiply. 7 times 9 is 63. Sign is positive. Here in fourth question, I didn't put any sign with both tens. Right? So it means if there is no sign, it means it is positive. So 10 times 10 is 100. Both are positive. Sign is positive. In the question number 5, there is no sign with 12. That means positive 12 and this is negative value. So that is 96. Two different sign, negative. Next, negative 9 times, there is no sign with 9, so positive. 9 times 9 is 81. One negative times one positive is negative. Two different signs. And in 7, negative 11. This time I am not putting any bracket with it. Just putting negative at the top. Some book they use this way also. So 11 times 7 is 77. Both are negative, sign is positive. So this is how we multiply integers. It's very easy. Just simple 3 rules. Both are negative or both are positive, sign is positive. Only negative sign comes when there are two different signs. Thank you for watching my videos.